If you're staring at a blank WordPress page and you want a fast way to get moving, this is the walkthrough to watch first. Hi, I'm Wayne Hatter. In this video, I'm going to use one exact demo setup inside PostPress AI so you can follow the real composer flow, generate a preview, and have a usable first draft on screen without stopping to decide. Okay, so we're going to open up our PostPress AI composer. As you can see, it's a blank screen. Now, this is where the full draft setup starts. And it matters because a better setup usually means less cleanup after the preview is generated. So we're going to start with the first field. So the first field we're going to choose is industry. Now, this field, it adds business context before the draft is generated. And this matters because it helps PostPress AI use more relevant examples, language, and framing for this kind of company. So we're going to select, let's see here, HVAC, home services. All right. And then the next field is the title. Now, the title, this field tells PostPress AI what the piece is actually about. And it really does matter because a clear topic gives the draft a stronger direction from the start. So in this case, we'll say, let's see here, I have something over here. I'm just going to copy and paste. Okay, and then you have the next field is the target audience. Now, this field tells the draft who it is speaking to, and it matters because the content will usually feel more specific and more useful when the audience is clearly defined. So in this case, we're going to say homeowners in Dallas, as an example, dealing with weak airflow, warm rooms, or rising energy bills. So I'm just going to paste that in because I have a cheat sheet over here in my other window. Next, we go down to the genre, and probably fitting. This seems like this would probably be, let's see, a free guide or ebook someone can download. Let's see, we're gonna pick how to, okay, and then the tone. The tone is this field. It really affects how the writing sounds on the page, and this really does matter. Even in a good topic can feel off, right? If the voice does not match with the reader or the brand. So for the tone, we'll just choose very clear because we want people to understand because, it gets hot in Texas, and we want them to know what to do. So we're going to keep it at the 800 count. And, that just determines on how long you want your post, your draft to be here. Okay. And then the optional brief. Now, the optional brief, this field, it adds more specific direction behind the draft. And it matters because it tells PostPress AI what angle to take, what to include, and how useful the result needs to be. Okay. So I have some pre-selected text over here. Okay, so for this example, basically, for the optional brief, we're going to say write a practical blog post for a local HVAC company. Explain the signs of an AC system may need, why each sign matters, and when the homeowner should call for services. So keep it easy to scan and avoid sounding overly technical. So that's very specific. And now from this point, all you want to do is click on Generate Preview. Now, the Generate Preview, this step, it turns the setup that you just set up here on the left side in the form. It's going to compile all that information, and then on the right-hand side, it's going to show up here in the preview window. And there we have it. So the preview loads, you want to kind of skim through it and make sure it kind of matches up with what you have over here. So we'll just do a quick skim. Introduction. Why addressing AC issues early matters, right? So that really matches up right here, right? Because we're getting dead into why, like right here in the first sentence, because it's stating right there early, because maybe this is an article that needs to go out because of getting close to summer, right? So we want to give them a heads up. Okay, now let's go ahead and save draft. and you'll see how it saves it into a new draft inside of your WordPress with no effort, all on your own. And there you go. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.